Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a clafoutis with rain-clawed plums. You can make it with any type of plums. It's a cake that is not actually a cake because it doesn't have a spongy consistency like you can imagine a cake to be with a nice shape and cut. It's more like bland and soft and mushy, but it's still very nice and very delicious and very addictive. And yeah, let's get to it without any further ado. "500 grams of rain-clawed or any type of plums, 200 grams of sugar, 90 grams of flour, 3 eggs, 1 package of vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, 200 milliliters of lukewarm milk, and 30 grams of almonds cut or chopped into pieces or slices. Next, we add the sugar. Now it's time to add the flour. Now that we have a consistency of like some gooey, battery pancake dough, we add the milk. Just throw it in and we mix it one last time. You'll have a very liquid and wet dough, but that's perfectly fine. That's what we're looking for. The cake won't be super thick and cake-like like you can imagine it. It's something that you usually eat with a spoon. So now I put it all together and we are almost ready to bake it. Now you take a pie form and you put some butter in it. I did not do that and it will be all my fault, but I'm going to eat it anyways with a spoon, so I don't see a reason why to do that. Now we place some sugar at the bottom. And put our prunes or plums or rain-clawed on top of it. You can make a nice pattern, you can throw it in randomly, it's up to you. I probably don't have enough to fill it all, so I'll just put it in as it comes. Now it's time to pour over the almost liquid batter and cover more or less everything, or as much as you can. Won't be that hard because it's very liquid anyways. Finally, we sprinkle our almonds on top. They'll probably just drown anyways, so it's more than fine. And now we'll place it into the oven. We'll bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Here we have our finished, out of the oven, still hot clafoutis. And what I also like to do when I make it for different people, I put it in smaller forms or molds, so that each person, each and everyone has their own little clafoutis, because now it's quite difficult to cut it since it's not really the consistency of a normal sponge cake. It won't actually stick together. It will get quite messy and you'll have to eat it with a spoon anyways. So if you're planning on making it for a dinner party or a party or for anything, I highly recommend you to use smaller molds. Since I'm basically the only one who's going to eat it in this house, I can do it with a big mold. So this is it from my side for this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you make it, I would love to see your creations. So you can tag me on Instagram or you can send me your pictures. I would love to see them. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. And my fridge is saying goodbye too. Bye!